Mr. Abdul, I can feel that the fishes are enjoying. Oh, how come I couldn't even let you set this thing up since when I came to Ghana? Oh, I've been roaming. All these bad people that I've been working with. Charlie, God bless you. Allah bless you, man. Charlie, I can see that. I can even feel that I'm a fish today. The way the fishes are enjoying. Oh my days. I can't even think far. But inshallah, I'll go and look for money so that we do other ponds, yeah. I also spoke to my sister and my dad. They said hosting is not a problem. They will always host you. So let me go and look for money small, and then when I come, I'll let you set up the rest for me. But Ali, thank you very much, yeah. Thank you very much. I look at this and I look at the water and I'm even happy. Basically, I've got about 126 fish in this one. But hopefully, I'll bring more to come and make it about maybe 226 or 300. Actually, thanks again, yeah. Thanks again. Thank you very much. Oh, that I've wasted too much time, man. I've wasted time and money. But inshallah, like I said, when I go back, I'm going to work very hard, come down again, and then we do much more business, okay? All right, thank you very much again. God bless you, okay? Bye-bye.